And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर है.
Wow.
And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film. And thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film. And it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic, by the way.
Talking about intensity,
Just explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Diya is the perfect tucker to Dave's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, he's being questioned about, which is, the line which he's saying that Police ya Mafia is written by Diya because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
the softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you.
This is 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have, from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions, and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है. और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीबडी who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So rest is up to you.
Just one last thing. We go quick.
कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके, बहुत मजा आया.
Can you
हमने
share that
आज के बाद ये
experience?
वाला स्टेप भी किया. This is our Pooja. Yeah. So she loves dancing, and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Masar Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. All right, for Pooja, we have Kunal Kothari from IWM Buzz.
In films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought, I love the intensity, and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'd meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was, I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude. And she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers your question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today, who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope Roshan sir, I've done justice to portray or Diya, and I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right.
It's incredible, and that inspired me. And then secondly, watching his filmography, which is so incredible. He's such an iconic filmmaker for Malayalam cinema. The films that he's made, so the confidence that he would, that one is a story, then 2 is
the ability of a director to deliver on that story, his filmography inspired that confidence completely. And so that's how the process began. And then when we went to Shahid and he felt exactly the same way, that's how the whole project came together. So, but it started with the story.
All right, for Roshan sir,
That's not bothered me. For me, Deva, the actions in this film, all the actions I wrote myself. So the actions should be the part of the screenplay. It's not for the sake of the action. We've not added any action sequence. So all the action sequence is the part of the screenplay story structure. So I don't worry about other films and all that. For me, Deva is important. If you people are enjoying it, I'm quite happy. That's it.
तो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज टू बी क्लीन शेवन। और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है। लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है, उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है, तो इसके अंदर काफी कुछ है। ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है। ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन आल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क। तो एक चीज होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीजें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज थी, उसका जो मूड था, पर उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे। इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, तो वो चीजें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं। अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूंगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं, ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है, दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म। मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूंगा, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग।
He has got food for me. Yeah, सबको नहीं मिला। So Shahid used to get me a full dabba, like a whole buffet.
तेरा घर पे कुक नहीं था?
हाँ, मेरे घर पे कुक नहीं था उस दिन, 10 दिन के लिए। So Shahid was kind enough to get food for me, which was lovely. And मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो भी ऐड हो गया, so nicely done. But I think our romance on screen was fantastic because we got along very, very well off screen. I met Shahid, I think, before we shot. 10 days before, I think, Diwali पे कहीं पर, and I told Shahid कि did you know that time I was doing the film? Shahid knew. But that's the time I told him that I've grown up, copying his dance steps, and I joined Shamak because Shahid was in Shamak. So always been a big fan of his. Always been a big fan of Roshan sir. And Siddharth sir, I just want to say you were the first person who called me after Thappad release. So that was the biggest thing that I could get a call from you. So I've worked with this wonderful crew. And Shahid was literally the backbone of this, so thank you.
Story of the film, and it blew us all away. It blew me away, it blew our team away. Malvika, Insia, all our whole team from Roycoat Films loved it and decided that we had to make it, and that's really where the journey began. So he didn't really have to give me much more of a brief than just saying what the story was.
all right, the next one is from. Sorry.
Why on the set was hard, bro? Hard.